In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add product badges like this in your Shopify product page. Adding these is actually very, very simple. And I'm going to be introducing you to the best app that you can use in order for this purpose. It is a completely free app. You don't have to upgrade to any other higher package in order to get all the features. You can edit these badges in whatever way that you like. You can change the color, you can change the text. You can even choose to hide them in certain kinds of devices and to certain kinds of countries. So let's go ahead and see how we can do that. Also, please make sure that you watch this video until the very end and not skip any part, because if you skip any step, you might not be able to place them correctly. Okay, with that said, let's go ahead and go to the Shopify backend. And what we're going to do is that we're going to head over into the apps store. And from there, we'll search for product badges. And after scrolling down a little bit, this is the app that you need to install. Let me click on it. And let me click on install. After the app is installed, you will be redirected into this page right here. What you need to do is that you need to click on create new badge. And then you can select which place you want this badge to be added to. Since we want to add the badge in the product page, I'm going to be selecting this. And here you will be taken into a page from where you can customize and edit this product badge. The very first thing that you need to do is that you need to select whether you want to add a single banner, an icon block, or a payments icon. Now, since I want multiple icons to be added, I will select icon block. And here you will be able to see that 3 icon blocks have been added. After scrolling down a little bit, you will be able to edit these icon blocks one by one. So for example, if I want to change free shipping at no extra cost to free shipping above $100, I can do that. And you see the text has been edited. What else I can do is I can remove this icon and upload a new icon if I want to. I can basically download an icon from an external stock website and add it to my desktop and basically just place that icon here. One other thing that I can do is add a call to action. So basically I can add a link. So basically I can add a button with a link here. That is actually a very powerful way if you want to show like the shipping policy and something like that here. All right, let me remove this for the time being. And down again, you will be able to see the options for the other 2 icons as well. Now, if you want to add a new icon, you can simply click on add new icon and the icon will be added here. You can do the same thing. You can edit the title. You can remove the icon. Now, since I only need these 3 icons, I will go ahead and remove this. Alright, so that's all you will get to see inside of the content section. Now, let's see how we can edit the style of these icons. So for that, we will go to design. The very first thing that you will be able to see that there are different templates for these icons. The template that we have selected right now is called minimal. If I want to change it, I can maybe change it to, now this is actually one of my favorites. You can go ahead and select Black Friday. And you see a nice black texture will be added around these icons. You can select these. I've actually kept this template in many of my shops. Or what you can do is you can select any other one. For example, let's go ahead and check out Aqua. This is what Aqua looks like. So depending on your website, you can change it. Or what you can do is you can come down and you can directly, like you can manually edit the background color and let's say the border radius, the text, the font, everything you can edit. Now inside of background color, if you want this to be not a single color, you want to make a gradient, you can make a gradient. And using the color picker, you will be able to adjust the gradient. You can also add patterns. There are some pre-built patterns here which you can add. See? So as you'll be able to see, it looks absolutely amazing. Now for the time being, I'll select single color and I'll keep it white. One more thing, you can add a border if you want to. Let's say I want to add like a solid border around it. I will come here and select solid. And for the border color, I'll set it to be black. And the border size I'll increase to like 2. So as you can see, the border has been added. Now, one amazing thing with this app is you can actually adjust individually on how these icons are going to appear on different kinds of devices. So you'll be able to see a preview of what it looks like in desktop. You can toggle and select how it looks like in mobile as well. And if you want to make any changes to this, there are options provided here. For example, you can see mobile. If you want to adjust the spacing of this inside of mobile, you can do it. And here are the options for that. Let me adjust this back to desktop. You can also animate these icons. Now, one example is this. See, these are basically the animations that will appear the first time the icons kind of show up inside of a product page. One more thing that you can do is that you can adjust the typography of the font used inside of here. For example, if I want to change the typography to Tahoma, I can do that. And you can see it's been changed. One other thing that you can do is that you can also add custom CSS here. So it really gives you a lot of power when you want to make like edits into this. Like you don't have to be confined to whatever styling options are available here. If you know how to use CSS, you can actually add your custom CSS here and even take the styling here to a next level. So one more thing that I want to address is the placement and visibility. This is one powerful feature that this app provides you. What it does is that you can basically choose to show these icons to a certain kind of customer. So what you can do is that you can target certain customers based on a tag and just show these shipping icons to them. Or what you can do is that you can hide these shipping badges from a specific kind of customer. You can use like a lifetime spend on them, or you can basically like do like a customer tag, and based on that you can hide these icons. One other thing that you can do is that you can confine these icons to specific countries if you want. Go ahead and select specific countries, and here's a wide list of countries that you can select. You can either choose to just show these icons to the traffic that comes from these countries. So that is one more powerful and neat feature that you are provided. Alright, now I'm actually going to be showing you how to publish this onto the front end of your website. Now please pay attention here, because skipping any part of this tutorial from here might result in this app not working properly. So please pay attention from here. So once you're satisfied with the changes, you can come ahead and click on Save Changes and then click on Publish. Now they will show you an option to enable the app embed. Click on it and enable the app embed from here. Then click on Save. And here you will be able to see that the trust icons have been added. When we check out a product on the live website, you will be able to see the trust badges are appearing and they look absolutely beautiful. So that was a quick tutorial on how to add trust badges inside of your Shopify product page. If you like this video and found it to be helpful, then make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.